Biscuit, good afternoon. Seamus Gagne here, and I'm just taking a little break from practicing for the Valentine's Day dance I'm playing at tonight to give you some critically important information, which is how to say I love you in Scottish Gaelic. I'm going to teach you two different ways to do it. Here's the first one. Ha, gul, akam, orst. Ha, gul, akam, orst. Ha gul akam orst. Ha gul akam orst. And the way that's built is ha, that's the verb to be, gul is love, akam, which means literally at me, but it's how you say I have something. Ha akam, ha gul akam, I have love, orst, on you. Ha gul akam orst, I have love, love is at me on you, I have love on you. One more time. Hagul akamorst. Oh, I got a message. Anyway, second way. Mo gul orst. Mo gul orst. My love, orst, on you. Mogul orst. Oh, mogul orst. So, hagul akamorst and mogul orst. Happy Valentine's Day. Go love somebody, even if it's you.